Welcome, Autoscope family. Introduce the Hyundai N Vision 74 as a futuristic hydrogen-electric hybrid concept. Hook. This is not just a concept car. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable performance. Imagine a car that combines supercar performance with eco-friendly propulsion, inspired by the past but built for the future. Stay tuned because we'll cover every detail: design, powertrain, performance, aerodynamics, cooling systems, torque, vectoring, and even future production plans. Part 2. Concept Overview. 1 o'clock to 2:30, the N Vision 74 is Hyundai's high-performance concept rolling lab. Unlike regular concept cars, it's fully functional and designed to explore future hydrogen-electric technology. Key points. Purpose: test sustainable high-performance systems. Platform: rolling lab for innovation and research. Inspiration: based on Hyundai's 1974 Pony Coupe concept, bringing retro design into the modern era. Mission: blend heritage styling, advanced tech, and supercar-level performance. This car represents Hyundai's vision of a performance car for the sustainable future. Part 3. Design Philosophy Time. (2:32). The design philosophy is retro-futuristic, combining elements from the 1974 Pony Coupe with modern Hyundai design language. Sharp wedge-shaped profile, aerodynamic surfaces with functional design, massive rear wing and side air intakes for racing dynamics, parametric pixel lighting. Signature: futuristic yet recognizable, driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes ergonomics and racing efficiency. This concept is designed to turn heads while being fully functional for track-level performance. Part 4. Exterior Details Time. 4 o'clock to 5:00. Every detail on the exterior is functional and aesthetic. Front bumper and splitter for airflow control. Side vents, 2-channel air. The rear diffuser and cooling systems. Rear diffuser and massive wing for downforce and stability at high speed. Pixel LED lights with dynamic animations, both functional and stylish. Hyundai emphasizes that every angle contributes to aerodynamics, not just style. Part 5. Interior Overview Time. 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. The interior is a driver-centric cockpit, combining racing ergonomics with modern tech, sports steering wheel with tactile controls, minimalist dashboard with digital displays showing power, torque, and fuel cell status. Retro-inspired touches pay homage to the original Pony Coupe, while high-tech panels display energy, flow, and torque vectoring data. The interior bridges past heritage with the future of sports car technology. Part 6. Powertrain. Introduction Time. 6 o'clock to 7:30. At the core of N Vision 74 is its hydrogen-electric hybrid drivetrain, which is the main highlight of this concept. Combines a hydrogen fuel cell system with a high-voltage battery and dual rear electric motors. Purpose: deliver instant power, high torque, long-range efficiency, and sustainable energy use. Rolling lab concept. Hyundai is testing future high-performance hybrid strategies that could appear in production end models. Part 7. Hydrogen fuel. Cell time. 7:30 to 8:30. The front-mounted hydrogen fuel cell stack is the backbone of the car. Generates up to 85 kilowatts of electricity. Produces zero emissions. Only water vapor. Works continuously to charge the battery and supply power to the motors. Positioned at the front for better weight balance and cooling efficiency. This is one of the first Hyundai N models to combine hydrogen tech with high-performance engineering. Part 8. Battery System Time. 8:30 to 9:30. Complementing the hydrogen. Fuel cell is a 62.4 kilowatt-hours. High-voltage battery pack. Located centrally for a low center of gravity and perfect weight distribution. Provides instant torque bursts for acceleration and cornering. Works with fuel cell to extend driving range and deliver sustained high performance. Supports high-voltage fast charging during testing phases. This hybrid approach allows supercar-like acceleration while maintaining eco-friendly efficiency. Part 9. Dual rear modus time. 9:30 to 10:30. Each rear wheel is powered by its own electric motor. Independent torque control equals torque vectoring, which improves handling in tight corners. Helps manage 900 Nm of torque without losing traction. Simulates a race car differential electronically, but with even faster response. This system is critical for high-speed stability and precise track handling. Part 10. Integrated control system time. 10:30 to 11:30. Hyundai's hybrid control system seamlessly integrates fuel cell power, continuous energy supply, battery high-performance bursts during acceleration or cornering, rear motors, wheel-by-wheel torque. Vectoring. This advanced control logic ensures maximum efficiency, performance, and energy management simultaneously. Performance numbers that make this car a real supercar. Total power: 500 kilowatts, approximately 680 HP. Total torque: 900 plus. Nm 0-100 km/h, approximately 0 to 62 miles per hour. 4 seconds top speed, 250 más km/h, 155 miles per hour driving range. 600 kilometers on hydrogen plus. Battery combination hydrogen refuel. 5 minutes of on, though it's a concept. The performance rivals modern hypercars. Part 12. Driving dynamic. 12:30 to 13:30. Advanced torque vectoring allows wheel-by-wheel power delivery. Rear motors adjust torque instantly during cornering for track-level precision. Weight distribution and aerodynamics improve high-speed stability and handling. This car is not just fast in a straight line, it's extremely agile in corners. Part 13. Aerodynamics time. 13:30. Front splitter channels air to reduce drag. Rear diffuser and wing create downforce for stability at high speeds. Side intakes help cooling systems and manage airflow. Body lines are both functional and stylish. Every curve has a purpose. Hyundai treats aerodynamics as a key performance factor, not just for looks. Part 14. Cooling systems time. 14:30 to 15:33. Panel cooling system. Fuel cell, battery, and electronics. Prevents overheating during high-performance driving, critical for sustained track-level performance. Integration with aerodynamics ensures cooling efficiency without compromising downforce. Part 15. Chassis and weight distribution time. 15:30 to 16:30. Low-mounted battery keeps center of gravity low, improving stability. Lightweight chassis material for strength and agility. Balanced front-to-rear weight ratio supports precise handling at high speeds. Every structural component is designed for performance, safety, and efficiency. Like, share, and subscribe to Autoscope. You never miss our new videos. And tell me, do you like this car?